there'll be many more. Michael Moore is about to call the winner of the Find the Penalty contest.
That's correct. And what's another historic moment here, this is a contest that started last week on Keith Olbermann's show, but finishes here on Larry King.
Well, you upgraded it.
Yes.
I love Keith. Go ahead.
No, you guys are both great. Okay, so here's the deal. So I have this great crack team of researchers that work on my films, and this is how they decoded the healthcare bill. This is page 81 of the healthcare bill, and it says that the ban on pre-existing conditions will be governed by Title 42 of the U.S. Legal Code of the Public Health Service Act of 1944. Okay, then you flip to page 386 of the healthcare bill, and there's a bunch of gobbledygook that says that it is amending 300GG-22 of Title 42, which is Chapter 6A, Subchapter 25, Part A, Subpart 4.
Oh, you're putting our audience to sleep.
No, but this is how they do it. This is how they do it because they know the average American would fall asleep by the time they get to this.
How about to the point?
So, anyways, I asked America last week, tell me where this is, this $100 fine, and Mr. Paul Harwood out in Portland, Oregon, found it, and we're going to call him right now. So, do you, Larry, sing some Sinatra for us while we're doing this here?
Darling is number. This is called Building It Up, the Tension.
3, 5. There we go.
We're calling. Where does he live?
Portland, Oregon. What time is it there?
Our time here.
Hello, this is Paul.
Paul, this is Michael Moore. You're live on the Larry King Show. And I just
laughing, Paul. It's not funny. It's still in the show.
Well, that was a laugh of joy.
All right, Paul, you found this.
Surprise.
Paul, may I ask
Paul,
a question?
you are the winner. You found the $100 penalty.
Well, thank you.
And I just explained the first part of it. So tell them exactly after you did all this research. Yeah, where did you finally find it?
Well, I am segregated from the television, so I didn't see your explanation. But what I found was that the $100 fine is not actually in the healthcare reform bill. In fact, what the healthcare reform bill does is to modify some existing code, U.S. Code 42. And there's a very obscure amendment in the HCR bill that...
I read all those subparts.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And so I had to go look in, first I had to find Code 42, and then I had to look in there to find where there were penalties like that.
And the penalty is $100 a day?
Yeah.
Yes, that's correct.
You can find it on page 1170 of Title 42. But that's where you have to go from one bill to a bill from 1944 back to an amendment.
Now, Mr. Generous, what does Paul win?
What I offered was whoever found out where the penalty was, I would come and wash their car. And so they were to send me a photo of themselves, a picture of their car. I don't know if we've got...
There's the car. What kind of car is it, Paul?
It's a pickup truck.
It's a, what is it?
It's a nice Ford F-150.
It's a Ford F, that's a great truck, by the way. Not an endorsement.
So you are going to fly to Portland, Oregon?
Yes. It's more like the next time I'm in Portland, I'm going to go over to Paul's house.
Yeah, Michael, fly out there and do it next time I'm in Portland.
You think I should just get on the plane tomorrow?
Yes.
Fly out there?
Oh my goodness! No, not this time of year. It's very cloudy and very rainy. Not a good time to be washing out.
Listen, Paul. I am going to come to Portland. I'm going to wash your car for you. You are the winner of this contest, and you live in probably the coolest city in this country. So.
Well, thank you.
Congratulations, Paul.
All right.
Thank you very much.
Keep on hunting. Paul, by the way, since finding that, has gone. A little problem with his eyes and has needed corrective lenses after looking for that.
He's an engineer.
When we come back, Michael will have a new contest.